What up, guys? I'm back. It has been a minute. If you're new here, my name's Miller. Welcome. I don't even know what to say right now, but as you can tell, it's already getting kind of dark out. Doing some winter camping at one of my favorite spots, and I got a little upgrade. Nice diesel heater. I just did a little mock-up quick, like this is just temporary, but I was like, I need to try this thing out, and I haven't been camping in literally forever because of my job. So yeah, I'm just doing one night of winter camping in my truck. Gonna get ready to make some food right away. So what time is it? It is 5 o'clock. Yeah, I got a little fire going. I forgot my chair, so I'm probably gonna just end up sitting there, or I might even just sit in the back of my truck and eat my food there. Yeah, it's been a minute. So happy to be back out camping. It's been way too long. Yeah, I got a weekend off and I'm like, I'm going camping. Plus I got that diesel heater, so trying that out, see how it goes. So far it seems pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm the only one here tonight, which is pretty sweet. The temperature isn't too bad. On my way out here, it said it was supposed to get to, I think, minus like 14 overnight, but warm up in the morning, so that should be pretty good. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just out here to enjoy this and relax. I just picked up some chicken cubes, cooking those up, and then I'm going to, I brought a pack of Mr. Noodle, and I'm just gonna kind of throw in the chicken into Mr. Noodle, and yeah, something super simple, and I won't be staying too long in the morning, so I just got a couple of bananas as well, and yeah. Bananas will probably be my breakfast until I get back home. This thing is working incredibly. I literally have to shut it off because it's just cooking. Alrighty, food is made. I was just fiddling around with this some more, so it's actually got two different modes. I just switched it into this mode. It's like variable temperature setting mode or something. Anyways, I can set the temperature and then the diesel heater will kick in and out just like a furnace to a set temperature. And then the other one is just pure heat, always pumping. But I don't know how accurate this is, but it's saying it's 20. Focus. It's saying it's 26 degrees inside my truck right now. Alright guys, I cleaned everything up, starting to head back home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's been a minute, nothing too special, but yeah, hopefully I can get out again soon, and I'll see you in the next one. I totally forgot to mention this morning. Last night I went to bed so early. It was pitch black by like, had to have been 5:30. Anyways, that heater worked incredibly. Like I said, I was sweating my ass off for the majority of the night. And then, I don't know, the wind picked up and I kept getting woken up throughout the middle of the night, which was whatever, but I still stayed warm, so that's good. But yeah, like my truck was literally shaking. I woke up to my truck shaking a couple times. Yeah, I mean, it was awesome.